Hey guys, what's up? Adrian here from Launch TV. We're back at Universal and we are going to go check out the new Tribute store and a few things that popped up around the park. Join me. Roll that intro. Right inside the Universal Studios store, we walk in and we see a bunch of Halloween Horror Nights merchandise already. Let's go check it out. First thing we see here is a brand new Scare Zone shirt that features all 5 of the Scare Zones in 30 Years, 30 Fears. There's nothing on the back.
I thought there wasn't, sorry.
No, 30 Years, 30 Fears, Lights, Camera, Action, Eddie's Revenge. Eddie's on a shirt, you guys.
How much is this one?
A Gorewood Forest, it is $30. Crypt TV, and then Seek and Destroy. I like this shirt. I probably wouldn't get it. I miss the fact that they had the design on the back before, something on the front, but this is a really cool design. We have this little Studio Screamers vinyl figures. It says Series 1, so there is more coming. Here's the back side. You can see it's Frankenstein, Gilman, Chucky, Jack, Caretaker, and Chance. Along with the vinyl figures, we also have magnets and pins. I know the pins are $55. I'm probably going to be buying one of these myself. The magnets are $20, which isn't that bad. It's not hooking back on. There we go. And then there's the socks that have been here. And if we look around, there's a lot of shirts here and a lot of different things that we'd love to check out. Like, look at this mug. Ooh, I love this design. I saw it on a shirt last time we were here, but honestly, on a mug, looks fantastic. And this mug is $29? Yep, $29 for the mug. This shirt is also something that released. Along with this shirt's design, there's also a pin and a keychain that go along with it, and I'll show you guys those right now. Here's the pin. You can get a good look at it. There we go, the pin and the keychains. The pins cost $12. So along with the vinyl shirt, the pin, and the magnets, we have a shirt for Studio Screamers. This is adorable. I love the designs. That is so cute. And this is, let me give you a price for it. It is $40, which isn't that bad for a long sleeve shirt, even though it doesn't really get cold here in Florida. But you know,
I like the shirt.
I feel like Lexi would wear this, you know?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah. This has everyone going crazy. I don't wear jean jackets, but like this design is pretty cool. Halloween Horror Nights on the front and on the back. It is Frankenstein with the Universal Studios logo. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, if you're a scare actor, you'll put patches on. I don't have any patches, so not my cup of tea, but big guys don't really get along with jean jackets, so. And then here's the shirt that I was talking about earlier, and above it we have keychains and pins for it. I, of course, will be buying this. If you guys don't know, I collect Horror Nights pins, so that's gonna go to my collection. And this whole little island here looks like it is a Frankenstein, well, Bride of Frankenstein Lives display. Because you got all the cups, the t-shirts, and then on this side it looks like you got the purses. Really cool. Oh, this is a cute bag. I don't know if Lexi's seen this. Lexi, did you see this? It's adorable. No, so, okay, that's another shirt. That's basically, every year they put out like these shirts that are like specifically non-related to anything. So it's just a Drop Dead Gorgeous shirt.
But like, wow, I can't talk.
Huh? Okay.
Cute.
It's cute. How much is that one?
I think that's, oh my goodness, it's $35.
35. Not bad. Alright, so I know there's a lot of merch in here, but we have to go check out the Tribute store, so let's get over there. Alright guys, so this is the location where you're going to find the Bride of Frankenstein Lives. This right here is going to be one of those like sideshow games that are usually here, but there's a lot of stuff here that's been added. There's going to be games along this whole walkway. Then up there you have all the food booths that we checked out last week. And if you guys want to see that video for that, go back and check that out. I'll link it down below right now. We are now going to walk into the Tribute store. As soon as we walk in, here is HHN Bear in all his glory. I can confirm my piano is back. However, it is really different now. It's a full-on organ. Oh my gosh. This is... wow. This is massive. Can't get enough of Bear though. Here's some masks that they have. Every Horror Nights Tribute store has masks. Every Horror Nights Tribute store has masks. So, here we go. Can't get rid of those killer clowns. They keep coming back. And then aside from that, we also have a new wax figure. This time, it is Frankenstein's, well, the Frankenstein's monster's head. Pretty cool. Up here in this little glass container, we have, this is the website model for HHN 2007. And then right beneath it, maps. Oh, wow.
It's like, yeah.
It's so cool. It's so cool. And then down here, my favorite year is advertised right there. Down here we also have coins, and they come from the side here. Oh, wow. So cool. Here we go, we got the Tweaks and Tunes mask. Dracula and his bride. A Nightingale. Cindy concept art. Let's come down. Oh, legendary Truth Repository stuff right here. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Caretakers down here too. Here we have some representation to the very first Halloween event at Universal. Now we turn into the next room and we see Jack the Clown and a ton of, oh my god, sorry, this is like raw reaction. This is gorgeous. Look at the storyteller. Come on, Elsa. Ooh. Here we go. Oh, so many nice views out here. We're just gonna keep going. You guys, look up too when you're in this tribute store because it is a lot of detail in here, and a lot of detail I mean. Here's the usher, Julian, and the director. Oh, I love these busts too. Let's go right here. Also along these icons, we got Chance. Her bust is a little weird, but it's cool. I like it. Everywhere you look here, you find little details to the past. Like, look at Cindy. The icon stakes. Scream House. Some sets from Winter's Night. Creatures from The Spawning. And more. Pretty awesome. Here on the opposite side, we have another bust, and it is the Caretaker. Here we go, guys. Some more little details. This looks like it's completely dedicated to HHN 19, which was ripped from the Silver Screams. Lights, Camera, Action, which is a returning Scare Zone this year. Horrorwood, and then Caretaker props down here, as well as the director's camera down at the bottom. Here we go, guys. Here's Jack in his painting. Also, little references to Bone. Guys, the mystery pins have returned. This time we at least can see what they look like before we purchase them here on this glass. Yeah, let's see. They are 16 each. Hard to see that now, but yeah, $16 each, and you get 2 in a box. Not bad. For perspective, there's a very long line, so I can't really show you guys much that's in this third room, but I will come back on a future day and show you guys this third and fourth room. Right here in this third room, there's a little hidden silhouette of a ghost. Guys, and the next wax figure is another pumpkin. This one's green though, so you can have a green and orange pumpkin if you have one from last year. Here in the fourth room actually, is the Shady Brook Home for Criminally Insane. And at the front end there was also a Caretaker hat, and there's all my group. You got Jacob, you got CML, you got Lexi. And then we keep turning here. This obviously is the snacks. And we have more shirts. The pass holder shirt is right here, which this has the actual best of is on the back end. So cool. Yeah. And then the actual house shirt is on the opposite side. It is that one over there that says "Don't Go Alone." Sadly, they only have 4Xs, so I do not fit in a 4X. We will get one eventually. Here's the menu of all the snacks. I'll let you guys pause it right here so you can check it out. But look at these gummies. The beating hearts are back, but we also have the brains. A lot more brains than I'll ever see. Here we go at the exit of the tribute store. It's the Township of Cary. So we just exited the tribute store. We bought some of those little figures. We're gonna open them up, but before we go over to Louis and sit down, they added some props over here in Seek and Destroy. This right here, and then that right over there as well. So pretty cool, pretty awesome that they're still adding little details here and there where you need them. All right, so we all got some mystery figures. Go ahead, go crazy. We're gonna hope. We're gonna. It's Christmas. Everybody, open your gifts. Open your gifts. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see who gets it open first. Oh.
I feel good about this. Frankenstein.
It's not Frankenstein. It's not Frankenstein.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh, we got a chance. Okay. A chance right here. Oh, look at her go. Oh.
Yeah, Frankenstein.
Caretaker! Oh my gosh, it's the caretaker! Alright. Okay. So we got 2 more to open. But we love Frankenstein. We love Lexi's now opening her second one. Let's see. What's your money on, everyone?
Chucky.
Chucky! Oh! Is that the one that kept falling?
No.
Ah, okay. So far we all have something different. And there's only one left. I'm gonna open it.
What does that mean?
All right. Sign a Chucky. Here we go.
Give me caretaker.
I got a chance.
Woo! Twins.
We're good here. All right. So like you guys saw, we got Chance, and then we got Caretaker and Chucky. They got Frank and Chance. And then you open your pins.
Oh yeah.
What do we got over here? Ooh, that's the 1-2 punch you want. All right. Now we're gonna open ours. I open the first one. Got a Caretaker.
Yeah.
Let's see. No whammies. Give me a Terror Queen, maybe?
Maybe?
Oh, I'll take a chaser. I'll take a chaser any day. I will take a
Oh,
chaser.
we got a chaser. Let's go.
Okay.
Go.
You do one, I do one?
Oh, they're both doing one? That's cute.
I'm gonna take pick.
I gotta get a little bit farther, but it's fine.
Alright. No whammies, no whammies.
Wait. What are you getting? What are you getting?
I want Terror Queen.
What do you want, Lexi? She doesn't care. Let's go.
Jack? And Elsa, we got Elsa.
That's not bad. We don't complain. Yeah.
Alright guys, that is a wrap from Universal. We are now going over to Aventura. Us friends here are all gonna go to the bar. Jay. Huh? We're currently at the rooftop bar at Aventura. And here's a nice view of Cabana Bay, which we will be staying in for opening weekend. There's also where you can see the Jacked Up experience. It is there in the lobby area. If you're staying on property, you'll be able to get in. And I also have a video with all the detail on that. You can check that out right there. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me on this long, crazy, wild day. We got to see some stuff for Horror Nights, some lighting and some music, which this is actually music right now for Horror Nights. If you guys like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you're most excited for. Did you like the tribute store? What was your favorite item that we purchased? Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. And stay excellent, my dudes.